One day at the Abbey, I was preparing volumes of work that had been put together, and they were to be sold in a new stall that we had at the back. And it hit me that our words can linger on if they are put on the page. We pass on, but we pass on also a message. O Master, at the last, when we have gone our lonely way into the longest home of all the waiting earth, when all is done and we no more may go, but only come to this thy one last beck, and when no more we may o'er moments wield the softest sway of seconds, bid to settle where before they travelled o'er the page that turned a day. Will some tomorrow linger yet a while upon the charged current of a line that bore a hurt and sorrow? Will a smile beam yet where once 'twas shed, when beams could shine? Or will the morrow ne'er a sorrow know, and bid these tomes to yawning aeons go? I cannot be alone as I would be forever. It ne'er could be. Yet 'tis not far, the solitude of soul, the whole of me, that need not be elsewhere. For some there are that entered this vast land with ne'er a cell or wall to call them home, to where we walk unheeded and unknown. And I see well that hiddenness is but the way we talk. For, Master, I have heard in this thy breath upon mine inward ear that very near is this mine ancient dream. 'Tis but a death, a dying of all sound, a lying here where none may enter in, where none may come. For one alone of silence builds a home.